Can you imagine you sleep and you get a phone call say back wall, washway? How that happened to Miss Ethel Smith out of Aberview and more rain go fall? I hope the authorities address the matter. That may I say.
About 1 o'clock last night, I heard a sound and then my neighbor called me. That's from 19 to say that the wall is down. But we have observed these walls for over 3 years now. From the came, dug away the land, so they're creating a gully, and then you realize stones were placed in there. And to me, the stones were not sealed out. So the rain came, washed the stones away, and that caused the land to erode.
When you say they, who are they?
Well, I think, I don't know, because I spoke with National Work Agency, so I can't tell you exactly who was responsible for creating this gully. So it's not a private thing.
Oh, okay.
I think that the water was coming on Arbor Drive. So I think to clear the water from the Arbor Drive now, they were thinking of challenging the water onto the gully here. But then the gully now, that was created because the land came way up to the wall, you know. So after they used tractor, dug it down, then you realize now that it has created a waterway.
All right then, cool, yeah. Yeah man, cool.
How safe do you feel with the rain still said to be continuing?
Well, I'm telling you, we have to be watching our eyes, our nose, our backs, because this is not safe at all, because you can see what has happened there. What has taken place last night because of the rain. So continuous rain, when you realize it can affect the houses.
Look there. What would you like to see be done?
Immediate remedy, because this cannot be left. Anybody can come across the gully, come into the houses or anything. We are afraid of that also. Yes, several complaints. I went to KSAC. I called National Work Agency. On 3 occasions they came and they took pictures, came and see what was happening there. I went to our Citizens Association meeting where I discussed the matter. They are aware of what is really happening here. They have even walked through the gully to see what was happening.
Who's that?
So we were expecting, what happened there? We were expecting this to happen.
Oh, okay, okay.
So all our complaints fell on deaf ears.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Anything else you'd like to add?
Well, all I'd like to add that this is a case of emergency.
Hold on.